Meet Maya. She's a sixth grader who just signed up to help paint a mural on her school's hallway wall. The art teacher hands her a measuring tape and says, "Figure out how much wall space we have." Maya stares at the wall and thinks, "How do I even calculate that?" That's exactly what we're going to figure out today. By the end of this video, Maya and you will be area experts.
So what exactly is area? Imagine you have a bedroom floor. Area is the amount of flat space inside a shape. It's how many square tiles would cover that floor completely. Every time you ask, "How much carpet do I need?" or "How much wrapping paper fits on this box?" you're thinking about area. Area is measured in square units, like square inches, square feet, or square centimeters. The word square is key because we're covering a surface with little squares.
Here's the magic formula, and it's super simple. Area equals length times width. We write it as A equals L times W. That's it. For Maya's mural wall, if the wall is 10 feet long and 4 feet tall, she multiplies 10 times 4 to get 40 square feet. The length is the longer side, and the width is the shorter side, though you can actually measure them in either direction and the answer stays the same. Multiplication is commutative. Fancy word, cool trick. Now, what about squares? A square is just a special rectangle where all 4 sides are equal. So if every side is the same length, let's call it S, then the formula becomes area equals S times S, which we write as S squared. If a square has sides of 6 inches, its area is 6 times 6, which equals 36 square inches. Maya notices the art teacher's supply cabinet door is a square. She can use this formula to figure out how much contact paper she'd need to cover it. Here's something that trips up a lot of students: forgetting the units. If you measure in feet, your area is in square feet. If you measure in centimeters, your area is in square centimeters. Always write the unit squared after your answer. Think of it this way. When you multiply feet times feet, you get feet squared. Maya almost forgot to write square feet on her answer. Her teacher would have marked it wrong. Units are like the finishing touch on your work. Don't skip them. Let's solve Maya's very first problem. The school hallway wall is 12 feet long and 8 feet tall. We need to find the area. We use our formula, A equals L times W. So we plug in, A equals 12 times 8. Now let's multiply. 12 times 8. We know 10 times 8 is 80, and 2 times 8 is 16. Add those together, 80 plus 16 equals 96. So the area is 96 square feet. Maya now knows a mural will cover 96 square feet. That's a big wall. Now let's try a square. Maya spots a large square floor tile in the hallway. Each side of the tile measures 9 inches. What is the area of one tile? We use A equals S squared, which means S times S. So we write A equals 9 times 9. 9 times 9. Let's think about it. 9 times 10 is 90, then subtract one group of 9. 90 minus 9 equals 81. So the area of the tile is 81 square inches. Maya's getting faster at this. Can you feel the momentum? Maya's art teacher wants to place a rectangular rug in the art room. The rug is 7 feet long and 5 feet wide. How much floor space does it cover? Area equals length times width. So we write A equals 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. So the rug covers 35 square feet of floor. Notice how quick that was? When you know the formula by heart, area problems become almost automatic. Maya solved that one in about 5 seconds. You're building speed too. Let's level up. What if the measurements aren't whole numbers? Maya measures a rectangular poster that's 3.5 feet long and 2 feet wide. We still use the same formula. A equals L times W. So A equals 3.5 times 2. When you multiply a decimal by 2, just double it. 3.5 doubled is 7. So the area of the poster is 7 square feet. Same formula, just with decimals. Maya realizes the formula never changes, only the numbers do. That's the beauty of math. Here is a challenge Maya faced on her homework. What if you know the area but need to find a missing side? The area of a rectangle is 48 square feet and the length is 8 feet. What's the width? We rearrange our formula. W equals A divided by L. So W equals 48 divided by 8. What number times 8 gives us 48? That's 6. So the width is 6 feet. Maya learned that area problems work in reverse too. Division is just multiplication going backwards. So cool. One more big one. The school gym floor is a rectangle measuring 40 meters long and 25 meters wide. What's the total area? Area equals 40 times 25. Let's break it down. 40 times 20 equals 800, and 40 times 5 equals 200. Now add them together. 800 plus 200 equals 1,000. The gym floor area is 1,000 square meters. Maya's jaw drops. That's a lot of space. But even for giant numbers, the same simple formula works every single time. A equals L times W. You've got this. Before we wrap up, let's look at the sneaky mistakes that trip students up. Number 1, forgetting to write the square unit after your answer. Number 2, mixing up perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Area is the space inside. Number 3, using addition instead of multiplication. Area is always length times width, not length plus width. Maya made the perimeter mistake once on a quiz. Never again. Knowing these traps makes you a smarter problem solver. Remember when Maya was staring at that wall with no idea what to do? Now she can calculate the area of any rectangle or square in seconds, and so can you. Let's recap. Area equals length times width for rectangles. For squares, it's side squared. Always include your square units. And if you know the area and one side, divide to find the other. Maya finished her mural measurement and nailed her math homework. That's exactly the journey you just took. Practice a few problems tonight and you'll have this locked in forever.